Hi everyone, it's Wendi. Today I am going to show you how I made these super easy Farmhouse Dollar Tree DIYs. All the products I got were from Dollar Tree, minus some of the paint products, but I had those from before. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you do. So for this first one, you are going to need a little cutting board. I wanted to find a wood one, but they did not have one at my Dollar Tree, so I'm going to put this wood contact paper over it. And you're going to need some twine and then some flowers. I actually ended up not even using these flowers. I used my lavender and then just some poster board. And this is poster board I had from before, so I'm just cutting out letters on it. So you don't need too much poster board. So the first part, you're just going to measure out how much contact paper you need because you're just going to wrap it around the entire cutting board. And I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out at the paddle, like the handle part, but it actually looks okay, and the flowers kind of cover it anyways. So you're just going to want to go ahead and apply the contact paper, and I just rolled it up and folded it like I was kind of wrapping a present, and I did add some glue to it in some spots just so that it would stay in place. And then for the handle part, I kind of like had to cut it every like half an inch or to an inch just so that I could wrap it around the handle part, if you guys understand what I'm trying to say, because you can't just like take it and wrap it because it's not a straight edge. So yeah, you just have to kind of put little slits in it here and there and then wrap it up. And then you definitely want to glue those spots so that they stay down. And now for the letters. So these little letters are from Dollar Tree, and once I traced them out, I did not like the style of them for this project. So I had some ones from Hobby Lobby that originally I thought were going to be way too big, but I actually ended up using those. So I don't show myself tracing those out, but I definitely use their stencils just like that. They're just a little bigger and a different style. So you'll see later on what those look like. So yeah, once I traced those out and cut them out, I went ahead and took those outside and I spray painted them with my Krylon Deep Gray Matte color. It's my go-to. It's how I make all my galvanized projects. So if you've seen any of my projects, you are not a stranger to the spray paint because I use it in all of those videos. And then I just took the platinum acrylic paint with a sponge, and then I'm just sponging that on, and then when that dries, they look like actual metal. Next, I'm taking these little foam mounting circles, and all I'm going to do with these, I'm going to cut them up so they'll fit like on those little letters. And I just like to do this because it gives it like a dimensional look, so it'll look like the letters are just kind of sticking off from the paddle. So it just makes it look more realistic. Next, I'm just going to take some twine and wrap it around the paddle, and I'm kind of using a lot because I want to kind of hide the imperfections from the contact paper. It doesn't look perfect up at the top, but with the twine and the flowers, I think it'll cover it nicely and you won't even be able to tell that it's not perfect. Now I grabbed a little piece of my lavender that I had from another project. I didn't care for how the other flowers looked. I don't know what it was, but I think the lavender looked really pretty. I ended up using the lavender in the other DIY too, so I liked how they matched. So I think this one turned out super duper cute. Alright, for this next one, this is probably one of the easiest ones you will ever do. You just need these little salt and pepper shakers from Dollar Tree, some twine, and then you will need a couple little sprigs of flowers. Oh, and of course my galvanizing method paint here. So all I did was I spray painted the little salt and pepper shakers with the gray spray paint, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my platinum acrylic paint and Next, next I just took a little bit of twine and wrapped that around it and then tied it in a bow, and then you add the flowers, and that is that. This one is so easy, and I think it turned out really cute. You also could add like an S and a P for salt and pepper, but it would have been kind of hard to write on these because they have that texture to them, like the design. So I just left them blank, and I think they look really cute like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these DIYs. They're super easy to make. I love the little farmhouse look to them, and I'm just really happy with how they turned out. So please don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new. I would love to have you here, and give this video a big thumbs up if you loved it, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.